बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Decor Art signing in, and I am going to share with you most beautiful and very amazing recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these recycling craft ideas by your old jeans. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates, for more notifications. These are super amazing, super unique recycling craft ideas for you guys. So guys, always think positive viewers, always be happy. These are very amazing and very unique recycling craft ideas for you guys. Always take care guys, always be happy, अपना ख्याल रखें, दुआओं में याद रखें। बहुत ही अमेजिंग से यूनिक से ये आइडियाज़ हैं, और आप लोगों को भी ये जीन्स रिसाइकलिंग क्राफ्ट आइडियाज़ बहुत अमेजिंग लगेंगे, बहुत यूनिक लगेंगे। Always think positive, always be positive. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. And if you want different other kind of craft work, you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. So guys, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very amazing, these are very unique and latest ideas for you guys. So viewers, always take care of yourself, always be happy. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very unique recycling craft ideas for you guys. You make these craft work at home very easily, and you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube, and then you make by your own. So guys, I hope so you like this video and you share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very